Raise your hand. Voice audible, please raise your hand. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay. Last class I given homework, right? About phosphorus. Right? Anyone find out what is a white phosphorus structure? Any idea? White phosphorus. You can chat. White phosphorus, red phosphorus, and black phosphorus. Any ideas, students? Hmm. Anyone? You can chat also about white phosphorus, red phosphorus. No. Okay, please no. Listen, generally, the structure of white phosphorus is no. Structure of white phosphorus. White phosphorus. Okay. What is structure of white phosphorus? That is called P4. Okay. P4 the molecule formula. Fine. Actually, what is white phosphorus? It is a discrete unit. It is a, please note, it is a discrete unit. Discrete. What is mean discrete? Not single unit. Okay. What is discrete? Not single unit. Okay. The structure. Phosphorus, 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 inga phosphorus, inga bond 8. Inga bond. Now, this bond, okay. The bond. Okay. Now you know how many sigma bond? 1 sigma, 2 sigma, 3 sigma, 4 sigma, 5 sigma, right? 5 sigma, 6 sigma. Total number of sigma bond that equal to 6. Okay. What is atomicity for this one? What is atomicity mean what? The number of atom in the molecule. For example, ozone O3. What is atomicity? A is equal to 3. Why 3? Because the number of atom in the molecule, right? That is atomicity. For example, voice audible or not? Students, voice audible, right? Please raise your hand. Okay, good. Thank you. Similarly, okay, for example, I take C6H12O6. What is atomicity? 24, right? 24. Who is writing? Okay, atomicity 24. Okay, what is atomicity? What is atomicity mean? Number of atoms in the molecule. Okay. A white phosphorus discrete unit. Okay, single unit now. Okay, it's a monomer. Actually, okay. Number of sigma bond on the 6. Atomicity on the atomicity, how many phosphorus? 1, 2, 3, 4 phosphorus. This is important, please note. This is important, very important. Okay, very important, please note. What about the black phosphorus? Second one, structure of black phosphorus. Black phosphorus. Okay, listen. Actually, what is structure of black phosphorus? It's a polymer. Okay, sir. Okay. This is orthorhombic structure. Orthorhombic. Orthorhombic. Platelet-like structure. Plated honeycomb structure. Please note. It is orthorhombic plated honeycomb structure. Okay. It's எப்படி இது மாதிரி இருக்கும். Benzene மாதிரி, okay. This structure like for this one. Okay. This like, okay, this like structure. This one. This are all phosphorus. Then phosphorus, 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 phosphorus. Okay, all are phosphorus. What is structure of black phosphorus? No, that is orthorhombic, the plated like honeycomb structure. Okay. What about the red phosphorus? That is important. Now, structure of red phosphorus. Oh, this is called, okay. This is a please, this is a polymeric unit. Red phosphorus is here. The red phosphorus. The red phosphorus is a polymeric chain of tetrahedrally structure of P4. It's a polymeric chain of the polymeric chain of tetraheterally, tetraheterally structure of P4. இதுதான் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் அதுக்கு. இப்போ பாஸ்பரஸ், இங்க பாஸ்பரஸ், பாஸ்பரஸ், பாஸ்பரஸா? எஸ் ஆர் நோ? Now see the bond break ஆயிருக்கு. இங்க பாஸ்பரஸ். இங்க பாஸ்பரஸ், பாஸ்பரஸ், பாஸ்பரஸ். Similarly, இங்க பாஸ்பரஸ், பாஸ்பரஸ், பாஸ்பரஸ். Okay, this like this is a polymer. Okay, the polymeric unit. N types. So the very important piece. All right. There are, what is next important point now? Which is more reactive phosphorus? Which is less reactive phosphorus? Okay, which is more stable phosphorus? Please note. Very important. Please note. 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 Okay. The most stable phosphorus is more stable. எது more stable அப்படின்னா that is called black phosphorus. Black phosphorus. Okay. எது more reactive அப்படின்னா more reactive na more reactive. That is called white phosphorus. This is white. Okay. But this is important, please note. It's important, very important. Please note. It's very important, please. Okay. Please note. Very important, please note. Okay. Now I'm going to discuss based on last 3 classes what we discuss on the concept based funny, and today I'm going to discuss a previous exam question. Okay. Let's start the first question. Please note. Questions. Just wait a minute. Please mute your mic. Okay. See the first question. The jam 2007 basic question 2007 basic try to answer basic question now. Which one of the which one of the species which one of the following species which one of the which one of the following species not isoelectronics not isoelectronic with carbon monoxide. Idan question. Option A N2. Option basic question try. Okay. Option B Cn minus. Option C NO plus. Option D O2 plus. Anyone tell me answer? Simple question. You try. Simple question. Just try. What is answer? Now what is isoelectronic? I told. Either the total valence electron same or no, illa. Okay. Total electron same, right? Either you have to take valence electron, total electron. What is answer? They are asking not. Okay. They are asking not. Please understand. CO wa? No, CO. How many are going to come to CO? Tell me. Carbon 6. Oxygen 8. What is 6 plus 8? 6 plus 8. 14. 14 electrons. Now this nitrogen 7 plus 7. Atomic 7. 14. Carbon 6. Nitrogen 7. Plus 1. Above 14. Yes or no? This nitrogen 7. This oxygen 8. Listen. Plus na minus panna, minus na plus panna. Okay. This minus 1. Appa idum 14. In the case of oxygen 16. Minus 1. Answer is 15. Which is not isoelectronic. Option D is correct answer. Simple question. No? The jam goes sound question. Okay. ரொம்ப old question. But this way they will ask the questions. Next column. Now, next question. This you know, I think so. Try this question. This is JAM 2007 question. 6. This is JAM 2006. என்ன கொஸ்டின்னா the atomicity and total and number of and total number of bonds, the total number of bonds in the white phosphorus, the white phosphorus. Option A 4,6, option B 6,4, option C 4,4, option D an answer mark 6,6. Simple question. The atomicity and the total number of bonds in white phosphorus. Just now we discuss. What is answer? Anyone? What is answer? Option A. Good. Why option A? Because of white phosphorus. White phosphorus. What is the white phosphorus? The white phosphorus. Nothing but what? P4. Phosphorus. 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 Inga phosphorus. Okay. Bond. எத்தனை bond இருக்கு? 1 2 3 4 5 total 6 total 6. For 6 bond. Total bond is 6. Atomicity 4. Option A. Simple, right? You got the answer right. Let's follow on. Let's try this question, okay? I'm going to do the match the following. We have to match which one is correct. Now, please know this question. And third question. The list 1. This is list 2. Okay. The first structure, please know. Okay. This is plus. The plus. And second one. In the case, this minus plus plus minus. And third case, this both are plus plus. And this case, this is plus and minus. Okay. இது எடுத்துக்கிறது A, இது B, இது C, இது D. Okay. இது P, Q, R, S. Tell me answer. Okay. First option P வந்து this is PD, PND, pi antibonding. Match the following. You have to match the following. Okay. Antibonding. Second, SP, SP sigma bond. SP sigma bond. And third, DD and DD sigma bond. And PP, PP sigma antibonding. Sigma antibonding. Tell me answer. Students, last class we discussed. Anyone? What is the answer? Try it. What is the answer? Try பண்ணுங்க. I give you 2 minutes time. Just try the answer. Try the question. Anyone? First one, A என்ன orbital? A வந்து என்ன overlapping? See, whenever end-end overlap always give sigma bond. Listen, new students please, okay. End-end overlap. End-end is end-end overlap. For example, okay. These are end-end. This is end-end overlap. This is end-end overlap. End-end overlap always from sigma bond when both are same sign of bonding. In the case of this is d orbital. This is d orbital. This is also d orbital. Both are d orbital only. Plus plus. Okay, அப்ப end-end overlap. End-end overlap same sign. அப்ப bonding. அப்ப A க்கு R. Yes or no? Simple. இந்த கேஸ்ல இது D, இது P. Opposite sign. அப்ப D and P orbital anti-bonding. P and D anti-bonding is anti-bonding. We got the point. இங்க plus plus. S and P sigma bond. Yes or no? Plus plus same. என்ன வரல? Sigma bond. இந்த கேஸ்ல PP anti-bonding. This answer. We got the answer. Now என்ன ஆப்ஷன் வரும்? A க்கு வந்து R, B க்கு வந்து P, C க்கு வந்து Q, D க்கு வந்து S. This answer. Got it? Please know, very important. Okay, next question. Next question important, interesting. Okay. Question number 4. This is question number 4 in CUET, QUT exam. CUET. Okay. 2020 question. And a question now. The number of nodal plane. The number of nodal plane for, okay, sigma antibonding orbital. Sigma antibonding orbital. Option A 0, option B 3, option C 2, option D 1. Any idea ma? For this one, they are asking nodal plane. Please know. For which one? They are asking sigma antibonding. Okay, this two you have to understand. Any idea? Any guess? So question is, sir, can you again cheat question number 3? See, question number 3 வந்து listen. Plus plus na bonding. Plus minus na anti-bonding. Okay. When end-end overlap na sigma bond. This is called end-end overlap. This is sideways overlap. End-end overlap na same sign and the sigma. Sideways la same sign இருந்துச்சுன்னா pi bond. Opposite sign இருந்துச்சுன்னா pi anti-bonding. End-end la opposite sign இருந்துச்சுன்னா sigma anti-bonding. See, this is bonding. Sigma bonding. See, plus minus sigma anti-bonding. This is sigma bonding. This is pi the actual. Why anti-bonding na plus minus plus minus. When both wave function, both are plus plus na attraction, minus minus repulsion. Okay. Kindly refer part 3 notes. Let's pull okay, for this one, anyone tell me the number of nodal plane for sigma antibonding orbital? Any idea, students? Okay. Now we have to know what is nodal plane now. See. Now what is sigma antibonding? We know. Is S orbital. This also S orbital. S or no? Now this is plus plus bonding. S or no? This is bonding. In case of bonding, in case of, there is no, in case of bonding, okay, no nodal plane. No nodal plane. Nodal plane. Actually, what is nodal plane? On the plane, that particular plane, the electron density is near to 0. That is called nodal. What is nodal? On the particular plane, the particular line, the particular surface, the electron density is nearly 0. That is called nodal. Okay. Now, what is antibonding? One plus or one minus? Bond agada. One is plus, is minus. Now, this is not under overlap, right? Overlap agade. This plus plus overlap agiro. அப்ப இது பிளஸ் இங்க இருக்கும். Now this is minus. You got the point? Minus. Now see, அப்ப இந்த சர்ஃபேஸ்ல, this surfaceல, okay, this surface there is no electron. Listen, actually what is the orbital? இதுல orbital, இது s orbital. இது what is s orbital? Nothing but electron cloud. அப்ப இது full electron plus, okay? இது full electron cloud. இதெல்லாம் clouds. Okay? Electron clouds. Now both are opposite signal. They undergo antibonding, right? அப்ப antibondingல இந்த plane இருக்குல்ல, இந்த planeல, this plane, in the plane no electron density. No electron density. We simply got that is called nodal plane. Nodal plane. Common nodal, only one nodal plane. Answer is 1. We got the point. But this is only one nodal plane. Because only that in the particular plane, there is no what? There is no electron density. Bonding level, there is no free space between two orbitals. There is no nodal plane for bonding, sigma bonding. A sigma anti-bonding, there will be node. It's important, please know. Next question. Adhe same CUT exam. Question number 5. They ask a different level question. In CUT exam and 2012, what is the question they ask now? Simple question. They asking the same model now. The number of nodal plane, the number of nodal plane for pi antibonding. Pi antibonding orbitals. Option same. Option A 0, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Now see, what is pi? Okay, this pi orbital. Yes, sir. This p orbital. That's right. So p orbital. The plus minus. Now this is p orbital. The plus minus. Both are same sign of bonding. In the bonding case, yes or no? Now what is anti-bonding now? Simple, right? Now in just anti-bonding, now this is plus. Yeah, let's see. We can write this also. Okay. For in this case, இது plus, இது minus. இது minus plus. Overlap ஆகாதா? Money. Due to the opposite wave function, they not undergo overlap, right? They repel each other. அப்ப இப்படி structure இப்படி மாறிடும். இது ஒண்ணு, இது ஒண்ணு, இது ஒண்ணு, இது ஒண்ணு. You got the point. It's very important. கவனிங்க. அப்ப இந்த ஆள் இது பிளஸ், இது மைனஸ், இது மைனஸ் பிளஸ். அப்ப இது வந்து பை ஸ்டார், இது பை ஆர்பிட்டால். For in this case, common node நாவனே இந்த இந்த பிளேன்ல எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் இருக்காதா? எஸ் ஆர் நோ? அப்போ ஒரு நோடு, ஒரு நோடு. சிமிலர்லி இந்த பிளேன்ல எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் இருக்காதா? இந்த பிளேன்லயே. எஸ் ஆர் இந்த பிளேன்லயே. அப்ப 2 நோடு. What is answer? Should be 2 node. Option B. அப்ப இந்த பிளேன் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இந்த பிளேன்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பிளேன்ல இந்த ஆக்சஸ்ல தேர் இஸ் நோ எலக்ட்ரான் ரைட்டா? பிளேன்ல என்ன கிடையாது, தேர் இஸ் நோ எலக்ட்ரான் கிடையாது. அதனால தேர் டூ பிளேன், ஒன்னு வந்து வெர்டிகல் பிளேன், ஹரிசாண்டல் பிளேன். அப்ப திஸ் டூ பிளேன்ல வந்து தேர் இஸ் நோ எலக்ட்ரான் டென்சிட்டி. therefore we call the number of nodal plane for pi antibody. What is answer 2? This is important, please note. Exam point of view. Okay, this is a small topic. This is get basics. That is called formal charge. Basic one. Please note. Next topic, new topic. That is formal charge. Formal. What is formal charge now? The charge on the species of the molecule. It's a charge on the species in the molecules. Simple. For simple example, for simple ozone, okay, O3, ozone. What is structure is na? O, double bond O, inga single bond O. Inga 1, 2, 3 lone pair, inga 2 lone pair, inga 1 lone pair. This is structure. Now what they are going to ask na, to find out the formal charge of each structure, okay? For example, this one, okay, first oxygen. This is second oxygen. This is third oxygen. What they are asking now, what is the formal charge of? The formal charge of oxygen 1, an answer. And the formal charge of oxygen 2. Okay, this weight. This oxygen 1. We can write this line. Oxygen 1. That is the formal charging. Similarly, the formal charge of oxygen 2. That is the answer. The formal charge of oxygen 3. Now what is the answer? So what is the actual formula? Please note. The formal charge that equal to valence electron minus, okay, the number of lone pair electrons minus the bonding electrons by 2. The formula. What is the formula? Formula is equal to the valence electron minus the number of lone pair. Number of lone pair electrons irukku. Okay. Minus the bond pair electron by 2. Okay. See first oxygen. In the oxygen, let's see. Is the first oxygen. first option. Okay. What is valence electron of oxygen? 6. 6 minus. Okay. Number of lone pair. எத்தனை lone pair இருக்கு? 1, 2, 3, 4 பேர் இருக்கா? 4 electrons இருக்கு. Number of lone pair electron இருக்கு. 4 electrons இருக்கு. மைனஸ். எத்தனை பாண்ட் பேர் இருக்கு? 2 பாண்ட் பேர் இருக்கு. 2 ஒரு பாண்ட்னா 2 எலக்ட்ரானா? எஸ் ஆர் நோ? ஒரு பாண்ட்னா 2 எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ். அப்ப 2 பாண்ட்னா 4 எலக்ட்ரான்ஸா? யூ காட் த பாயிண்ட். அப்ப இங்க 4/2. யூ காட் த பாயிண்ட். வெரி சிம்பிள். வாட் இஸ் ஆன்சர்? ஹியர் 6 minus 4 minus 2. Answer is 0. Yes or no? No, what is first option? First answer is this formal charge. For this one, 0. You got the point. 0 answer. Second polama. Second, see this O2 oxygen. This listen. Valence electron 6. Open the bracket. How many lone pair? Only one, two, only two electrons are. Upper 2. But this dot section they given the exam. Okay. How many bond electron paranga? ஒரு பாண்டு 2 பாண்ட். So this O2 oxygen surrounded by 3 bonds. ஒரு பாண்டு 2 பாண்டு 3 பாண்டு. அப்ப 6/2. So not his answer. That is a 3. Therefore what? Answer is +1. Right? Our formal charge of second oxygen. This is +1. You got the point? Now, what is formal third oxygen? 6 minus balance of 6. How many lone pair பாருங்க? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lone pair. How many bond electron? Only ஒரு bond தான். ஒரு bondனா 2 electrona? Yes or no? அப்ப இங்க 2/1, 2/2. இங்க 1 ஆயிரும். அப்ப 7 minus 6. அப்ப answer -1. For this oxygen, what is formal charge? இதுக்கு -1. Very simple. This is a method, okay? But this is a formula to find out formal charge. But I am going to teach a tricks. Method tricks போயிடலாம். இது general, okay, it's a general method. It's a general method. Okay, this is general method to find out the formal charge of the each species in the molecule. Now, what is the trick அப்படின்னா? Please know, very important. What is the trick அப்படின்னா? கவனிங்க. Very simple. We have to know the valency of first. We have to valency தெரியணும். Okay, first point valency. கவனிங்க. அந்த எலமெண்ட் வந்து less than valency இருந்துச்சுன்னா, less than valency இருந்துச்சுன்னா, we have to put minus sign. Okay. அது more than valency இருந்துச்சுன்னா, more than valency இருந்துச்சுன்னா, we have to put positive sign. Positive. புரியுதா? For example, take same ozone molecule. இங்க O, double bond O, okay, here O, O minus. இதான் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர், ஆக்சுவல் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் O. கவனி. அந்த ஆட்டம் சேம் வேலன்சியா இருந்துச்சுன்னா 0 சார்ஜ். சேம் வேலன்சியா இருந்தா 0. இது சார்ஜ் எலமெண்ட். Listen, now see, what is valency of oxygen, students? What is valency of oxygen? Any idea? What is valency of oxygen? You can tell. What is valency of oxygen? What is answer? Valency of oxygen 2, na? Yes or no? Valency 2. Valence electron 6. The valency of oxygen nothing but 2. Now see, now this oxygen satisfy valency. What is actually valency? Bond. What is actual valency? That is called bond forming capacity. This is bond forming capacity. Now this oxygen satisfy valency, right? Because of they form 2 bonds. The formal charge 0. So the clue purida. Yes or no? The answer is the formal charge. This oxygen. For this oxygen, the formal charge equal to 0 because it satisfy valency. Is first oxygen. What about second oxygen? See, valency அதிகமா இருக்கா? Oxygen valency 2 actually. இப்ப எத்தனை பாண்ட் சுத்தி இருக்கு? Actually 3 பாண்ட் சுத்தி இருக்கா? More than valency. What is answer? Plus. How many more than valency? 1 valency. Actually valency oxygen 2 இருக்கு. 3 பாண்ட் இருக்கு. அப்ப இங்க formal charge வந்து இதுக்கு இது formal charge 1 +1. You got the point? Because 1 higher valency. In the oxygen valence electron to valency 2. How many bonds are only they form only 1 bond. அப்ப less than 1 valency இருக்கா? அப்ப formal charge -1. Simple. You can use this trick to find out what? To find out the formal charge of the electron. Important piece. இது மெத்தட். இது ஃபார்முலா. Formula take more time. Go with the matrix. Important please note. So jam question போலாமா? ஒரு question இருக்கு jam question based on the formal charts. Okay, you just try the tricks or also try the formula also. Okay. See now, write the question. Jam 2009 question. The basic question எல்லாமே. This is IIT Jam 2009 question. Write the question. This IIT Jam 2009. என்ன கொஸ்டின்னா the formal charge of nitrogen, the formal charge on nitrogen atom, left to right, left to right in the assay ion, in the assayed ion. இதான் structure. N double bond N double bond N, two lone pair, two lone pair. Okay. Tell me answer. Option A plus 1 comma minus 1 plus 1. Option B minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. Option C minus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Option D minus 2 plus 1 0. What is answer? Sir, I give the clue, okay? Valence of nitrogen 3. Valency of nitrogen 3. I give the hint for you. What is answer? Valency of hydrogen 3. What is answer? Valency of nitrogen is 3. Oh, yeah. Tell me answer. What is answer? Valency of nitrogen 3. Anyone? Dharmajaran, good. Any other students? What is the answer? Oh, okay. Tolkappiyam, good. Other students? Santosh, Kavya. What is the answer for this one? Basic now. Simple one. See, nitrogen, double bond nitrogen, double bond nitrogen. Now this nitrogen valency 3 is having only 2 bond, less than valency minus 1. I told now. Yes or no? Now this nitrogen valency 3, they are having 4 bonds, more than 1 valency plus 1. This nitrogen valency 3 having 2 only, but less than 1. Answer is left to right, minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. Answer is B. Okay. Now go with the method. Method formula போலாம். What is the formula பாத்தீங்கன்னா? What is formula? Formal charge? Formal charge for this first nitrogen. Okay. இது first. Left தானே? First nitrogen. Second. Third. Valence nitrogen 5. Valence electron 5. 5 minus. Number of lone pair 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Bond pair 1, 2, 4. 4 by 2. Yes or no? Therefore, answer is 5 minus 4 minus 1, 2. So minus 6. So 5 minus 6. Answer minus 1. Minus 1 answer minus 1. Proof. Yes or no? Simple. அதே மாதிரி N2 carbon apply பண்ணுங்க. N3 apply பண்ணுங்க. You get the answer. The simple way to find out the formal charge of the each species in the molecules. Okay. இதெல்லாம் basic fundamental question. This you have to know. Let's போலாமா? Today topic. And today topic I will discuss about hybridization. It's very important topic in our exam point of view. Damn sure 200% இந்த டாபிக்ல இருந்து கண்டிப்பா ஒரு क्वेश्चन கண்டிப்பா கேட்பாங்க. Okay. Please note. Topic is concept of hybridization. Very important new topic of next topic. Please note. Concepts of concepts of hybridization. Hybridization. Any idea? What is hybridization? What is it being college? What is hybridization? Any students? Please note. This is mainly by mainly yaar kanduchana. This is by mainly this way. Mainly Paulings. Scientists Paulings. You only find out. So what is a Paulings? The Paulings now the is a father of is actually is a father of chemical bonding. You only discover more concept. Pauling, the father of chemical bonding. Okay. Now initial concept. I go into discussion with the one molecule that is called methane. Okay. We take the methane molecule. We discuss hybridization, a different aspect. Please note. Now, on starting period, at the starting the CH4 structure, the methane structure, the CH4 structure was given by Liebe. Scientist name was given by Liebel. Liebel. அவர் என்ன சொன்னார் அப்படின்னா okay, the CH4 is a tetrahedral. Okay, it's a tetrahedral. He suggested. Okay, according to Liebel, okay, all CH4 structure is a tetrahedral structure. Okay, now one more important thing. Okay, in earlier time, okay, the scientists that try to find out the structure of methane molecule. They do some other reactions. They predict the exact structure of all the exact structure of the methane molecule. Okay, now see now. So, question, basic question. Okay, the CH4 simple. The CH4 is tetrahedral. From class cut okay, 40 minutes of Zoom you can join the same link. Okay, the CH4 is tetrahedral. Tetrahedral. Who told it? Label. Tetrahedral. Because. Any reason, Babu? Because. You pick the answer. I give the option, you pick the answer. Option A, it is stable in form. It is stable in the form. It is stable in this form. In this form. Option B, due to sp3 hybridization. Due to sp3 hybridization. Option C, both are correct. Tell you what is correct answer. Both are correct. Anyone idea? Okay. CH4 tetrahedral because of what? It is stable. CH4 tetrahedral because of what? Option A, it is stable in the form. Option B, due to sp3 hybridization. Option C, both are correct. What is the answer? Anyone? See, very important thing. Very important one. Now, there is no relation between geometry and hybridization. Okay. Hybridization don't predict the geometry of molecules. Upper because of due to sp3 hybridization data தப்பு இது புரியுதா sp3 நால டேட்டா கிடையாது. You got the point. Okay, திருப்பி நான் சொல்றேன் geometry of moleculeக்கும் okay hybridization-க்கும் there is no relation. That is different concept. Okay, அப்ப CH4 tetrahedral because of in the it is stable in this form. அதான் answer. Not due to sp3. General people சொல்லுவாங்க sp3 tetrahedral நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம் ஜெனரலா sp3 tetrahedral சொல்லுவோம். sp3 அது இன்டிஃபால்ட்டா வந்துரும் புரியுதா? sp3 இப்ப sp3 வந்து ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் வாட்டர் இருக்கு sp3 பெண்ட் ஷேப் அது. You got the point. அப்போ there is no, again I'm telling, there is no relation between geometry of molecule and hybridization. Hybridization தனி கான்செப்ட், geometry தனி கான்செப்ட். Okay, don't ரெண்டு மிக்ஸ் பண்ணிக்காதீங்க. Okay, very important, please follow. Now what is the other thing they did அப்படின்னா now methane molecule. Now methane molecule undergo chlorination. Chlorination, they get monomer. Okay, mono isomeric products. mono isomeric product. It's a isomeric product. இது ஒரு எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட். ஓகே, அப்ப என்ன சொல்றாங்க, இப்ப மீத்தேனை வந்து மீத்தேனை வந்து என்ன பண்றேன், மீத்தேன் டைக்ளோரேஷன் பண்ண அப்படின்னா I get the only wait, I did this like a dichlorination. When methane undergo dichlorination, I will get only one product. What is the product? CH2Cl ன்னு சொல்றாங்க. Now see, now this structure can give the idea about the geometry of the molecule. For example, okay, I take methane as square plan எடுத்துக்கலாமா, like a square plan. நான் வச்சுக்கோ, the square planல if I doing dichlorination அப்படின்னா I get two product. One is cis trans. Yes or no? Two structure I got, right? How? Here C, இங்க H, இங்க ஒரு Cl, இங்க ஒரு Cl, இங்க ஒரு H. இது ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட்டா? What is one more I will get? Carbon, Cl, Cl, H, H. But I get two products. But experimentally, how many products they got? Dichlorination of methane, only one product. They got this, they will get only monomeric, only one monomeric answer. Upper in, if suppose your methane square planar இருந்துச்சுன்னா, what is answer? 2. But this reaction tell about the methane is not square planar. You got the point? But 100% methane tetrahedral. புரியுதா? அப்ப this reaction, this experiment and this reaction that tell the methane molecule not in the square planar, it can be tetrahedral. Okay, now what is tetrahedral அப்படின்னா, and tetrahedralல all carbon hydrogen bond இருக்குல்ல, all are same bond angle as well as all are same bond strength. This is very important, please stop. அப்ப according to this experiment, okay, according to this investigation, the methane molecule, the CH4ல, okay, now experimental properties about CH4 is experimental properties. First point, இது என்ன சொல்ல வராங்கன்னா, it is tetrahedral, it is DD tetrahedral. Why not square banana? Suppose methane square banana, I will get two product, right? What is this? What is the product under dichlorination? Only one product தான். அவர் மீத் அப்ப ஸ்கொயர் பண்ண 2 ப்ராடக்ட் வருது. அப்ப damn sure that molecule not square பண்ணலாம். Okay, is 100% tetrahedral. அது மட்டும் இல்லாம ஒரு செகண்ட் இன்வெஸ்டிகேஷன் அப்படின்னா, is very important. It is all CH bond. In CH4ல all the carbon hydrogen bond, the carbon hydrogen, the bonds length are equal. Bond length equal இருக்கும். The bond length are equal. This is very important. Third point. It is bond angle. All the bond angle is same. What is the value in actual? 109.28 minutes. This is actual bond angle. Okay. Tetrahedral பாத்தீங்கன்னா 1 1 2 3 4 H H H H. Okay, இந்த angle சொல்றோம். இந்த angle இருக்கும். இந்த angle இருக்கும் 109.20 minutes. இந்த angle தான் இருக்கும். இந்த angle 109.20. Okay, the number of angles in tetrahedral, the number of angle in tetrahedral equal to 6 angle இருக்கும் அதுல. Okay, this I will send to WhatsApp. Guys, see, I will send three-dimensional views. You see the WhatsApp. Okay, what is number of tetrahedral angle? Number of angle tetrahedral na 6 angle இருக்கும். Okay, please very important. நானே இது ஒன்னாச்சா, இது 1, இது 2, இது 3, இது 4, இது 5, இது 6. You got the point. But total of 1, listen. இது 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Now this carbon and this hydrogen 5, 6. Therefore number of angle in tetrahedral is 6 angle. But what is all the 6 angle may 109.20 minutes now. But this is experimental, okay, properties of methane molecule. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the hybridization. Okay, next method போலாம். Now I am going to explain the bonding nature of the methane molecule. Now see, if carbon atom இருக்கும் carbon grounds atomic number 6 configuration 1s2 2s2 2p2 இது outermost அப்ப இது 2s2 இது 2p2 this 2p2 இது ground state. Okay. Sir, ground state how many unpaired இதா ரெண்டு unpaired இருக்கா? How many unpaired? 2 unpaired. Therefore, the number of unpaired in ground state, number of unpaired equal to 2. Okay. Now, what is the actual value? For covalency, covalency 2 தான். Unpaired equal to covalency. Covalency equal to. What is the actual covalency of carbon 4? This is wrong. But the carbon, the covalency, the carbon is CH4. Covalency 4 நாலு வச்சிருக்கா? Covalency 4. Therefore, they undergo what? They undergo excited state. That is excited state. When I know this going to shift ion electron. Okay, this excited state. So simple. இப்போ இங்க ஒரு unpaired electron, இங்க ஒரு unpaired electron. Okay, இங்க electron. Now what is the covalency? Now see simple. நாலு unpaired இருக்கா? இப்போ number of unpairs equal to 4 in the case. The number of unpaired is 4. Yes or no? Now see, இப்போ இது என்னது கார்பனா? இது கார்பன் 2s orbital. இது என்னது 2p orbital. You got the point? Now இப்பதான் இண்டஸ்ட்ரி திங்ஸே இருக்கு. இப்ப வாங்க இப்ப கவனி கவனி இப்ப now கார்பன்ல 1 2 3 அன்பேர் இருக்கா? இங்க ஹைட்ரஜன் ஒரு ஹைட்ரஜன் ரெண்டு ஹைட்ரஜன் மூணு ஹைட்ரஜன் நாலு ஹைட்ரஜன் ஆயிரும். பாண்ட் ஃபார்ம் ஆயிருமா? Similarly, okay. Now this hydrogen, one hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. That one electron, one bond form ஆயிப்ப இப்போ bond form ஆயிடுச்சு. Now see, now this is bonding. Now this also bonding, bonding, bonding. Hydrogen oneness orbital, oneness orbital, oneness orbital, oneness orbital. Now see in the case very interesting, very important. Now see, இப்போ carbon இருக்கு. Now carbonல இந்த bond இருக்குல்ல, this is carbon of 2s in the H. அப்ப இது என்ன overlapping இது? 2s of carbon and 1s of hydrogen of S or no? You got the point? S or no? அப்ப இது first bond என்னது? This one bond is 2s and 2p. இந்த bond என்னது? இந்த hydrogen bond, this is 1s of hydrogen, 2p of carbon. அப்ப this is 1s 2p overlap. Yes or no? Third hydrogen அதே மாதிரி தான். இந்த hydrogen அதே தானே? அது 1s 2p overlap. இந்த fourth hydrogen அதே மாதிரி தான். This is 1s fourth hydrogen. You can try this. The fourth hydrogen. This also 1s and 2p. Now tell me, in the same overlapping, different overlapping like students. Now tell me, all is same overlapping, which is different overlapping. Tell me. Now in the all the CH bond on the same overlapping like is anything different arka? Is it different arka? Tell me which is different. This is different purely. அப்ப நான் வச்சோம் this based on this concept. Listen, based on this concept, இப்ப இந்த bond angle வேற மாதிரி இருக்கும். மத்த மூணு டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்குமா? You got the point? அப்ப this bonding scheme is strong. This bonding scheme, therefore, listen, நான் சொன்ன கான்செப்ட் புரியுதா? Listen, நீங்க கவனிச்சீங்க இந்த மூணு பாண்டுமே இது 1s 2p 1s 2p இந்த மூணு பாண்டுமே different overlapping. What is actual experimental condition of tetrahedral molecule? See, you know, right? All the bond angle, see, all the bond length are same. எப்போ all bond length சேமா இருக்குன்னா எல்லாமே சேம் ஓவர்லாப்பிங்கா இருக்கணும். சேம் ஆர்பிட்டல் ஓவர்லாப்பிங்கா இருந்துச்சுன்னா அப்ப எல்லா பாண்டாலும் சேமா இருக்கும். ஆனா இந்த ஆக்சுவலா இந்த பாண்டிங் ஸ்கீம்ல see now this in the bonding scheme the three hydrogen CH bond வந்து பார்த்தோம்னா 1s 2p ல இருக்கு and 1 CH hydrogen bond 2s 1p ல. Therefore this bonding scheme is not right. Yes or no? Therefore this bonding scheme, this bonding scheme is not correct. Not correct. because it does not explain is does not it does not explain the bond length and the bond angle, right, Alia? Bond length and bond angle. அப்ப அப்ப மீத்தேன் பாண்டிங்க பத்தி எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ண we need one more concept. லிசன், இந்த தியரி இருக்குல்ல, இப்ப சொன்ன தியரி இருக்குல்ல, இதை வந்து 30 இயர்ஸா இதை ஃபாலோ பண்ணாங்க. என்ன பண்ணாங்க? 30 இயர்ஸா they following this scheme only. After fallings, okay, now the Paul is telling, okay, this falling, the falling கண்டுபிடிச்சாரு, okay, அப்ப based on this scheme போயிடுச்சீங்கன்னா, okay, now this carbon hydrogen 2s 1p இருக்கு. அப்ப they are different bond angle and different bond length are, therefore 30 years they are following this one. Now the Pauling telling this bonding scheme is incorrect. Now we are going to explain the structure of CH4 using the concept of hybridization. Now understand what is hybridization concept? Why need to solve? This bonding scheme not explain one the CH4 molecule and CH4 molecule ஏன் எல்லா பாண்டுமே சேமா இருக்கணும், எல்லா பாண்டும் சேமா இருக்கணும், எல்லா பாண்ட்ல சேமா இருக்கணும். இந்த பாண்டிங் ஸ்கீம் வந்து does not explain the bond length and bond angle of CH4. Therefore, we need one more concept or some more concept can explain what can explain the bonding nature of the CH4. Therefore, that concept is called as hybridization. The hybridization concept clearly tell, okay, that all the carbon hydrogen bond angle and bond length are same. How we are going to discuss now. Please note out the concept of hybridization. Why need hybridization? சொல்லிட்டு the application. Please note. Talking about concept of hybridization. Please note, very important. Okay, கவனிங்க. Now, இப்ப கவனிங்க. இந்த கேஸ்ல ஃபைல் மெத்தட் சொன்ன அப்படின்னா இது 2s 2p இருக்கா? வாணி. Now what is hybridization அப்படின்னா the intermixing of orbitala. Okay? The interlisten. இப்ப இந்த கேஸ்ல கார்பன் கேஸ்ல 2s 2p டிஃபரண்ட் எனர்ஜி லெவலா. இப்ப 2s வேற 2s 2p வேற, ரைட்டா? எல்லாம் வேற வேற. 2s வேற கேரக்டர், 2p வேற கேரக்டர். Now according to hybridization, what is actually hybridization? The intermixing of atom orbital. Now see, now this 2s orbital of carbon and the 2p orbital of carbon undergo intermixing, they become the same energy levels. The same energy levels இருந்துச்சுன்னா there is no difference between அந்த 2s and 1s, ரைட்டா இல்லையா? அப்ப எல்லாமே சேமா தான் இருக்கும். You got the point. Now what is hybridization? Now listen, hybridization-ல the only central atom only hybridization, not surrounding atom. You got the point. Upon the central atom carbon in methane molecule, that methane molecule going into intermix. What is intermix now? The 2s and the 2s of 2s of carbon atom and 2p of carbon atom, this two atomic orbital. Now these two atomic orbital undergo intermixing to become a same energy level. Okay, after intermixing, sir, இது before see, இது before intermixing. Now see, after intermixing, this two one, they become like this. இப்படி மாறிடும் 4. இது 1, இது எல்லாமே சேம் நேச்சரா இருக்கும், புரியுதா? அப்ப after intermixing of the 2s and 2p orbital, this 2s and 2p become same energy. இப்ப same energy இருந்தா same bond ஆகுதா, same bond length தானே. That is called what? Hybridization concept. Okay, please, very important. Please note. Now this carbon plus 4 hydrogen to form CH. Now, what is hybridization? We explain now. Hybridization. First point, it's a non-real. It's assumption. First, it's assumption, okay? It is a non-real. It's a non-real. Actually, it's assumption. Actually, now what is hybridization? The redistribution of the energy level. Please note. It's a redistribution of redistribution of energy of orbitals. Energy of orbitals. Okay. Now this is சொன்னல. இப்போ இது 1s இருக்கு. இது 1s orbital. Okay. இது 2s orbital. Actually இது 2s orbital. இது energy level for example. Okay. இப்போ என்ன இருக்கு இனிஷியல் கிரவுண்ட் ஸ்டேட்ல என்ன இருக்கு 2s 1s டிஃபரண்ட் எனர்ஜி இருக்கா now this 2s orbital 1s orbital undergo intermix, they undergo redistribute the energy, they become same energy. Okay, another redistribution of energy of atomic orbital. Now second one, it is a purely hypothetical phenomena. Please note it is purely hypothetical phenomenon. Okay, it's a non-real. அதான் சொன்னேன். Now, listen. Now this hybridization concept very important. This concept cannot be explained. Cannot be explained. Cannot be proven. Cannot be proved. Cannot be proved or shown by any experimental technique. Not even by NMR spectrum and IR spectrum. Now finally என்ன சொல்ல வர அப்படின்னா the hybridization is a pure hypothetical concept. Okay, hypothetical concept தான். Okay, ஒரு ஜெனரலா ஒரு கெமிஸ்ட்ரியில வந்து ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரக்சரை கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் அப்படின்னா we have to go with the spectroscopy. எது மேக்ஸிமம் எது வந்து மோர் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஸ்பெக்ட்ரோஸ்கோபினா என்ன by using NMR spectroscopy we can find out the structure bonding கண்டுபிடிச்சலாம். Okay, even NMR also we cannot explain the hybridization. It's very important, please note. Now போலாமா கான்செப்ட். Now what is the definition of hybridization? Please note. இத பாலின்ஸ் கண்டுபிடிச்சார். Okay, it is a process. It is a process to mix and redistribution, to mix and redistribution different orbitals to make them identical, to make them identical in shape and energy. You got the point? And energy. அப்ப after mixing, after redistribution, all energy of carbon counts சேமா தான் இருக்கும். Yes or no? அப்ப சேமா இருந்துச்சுன்னா they undergo same overlapping. There is no issue. Yes or no? It's very important, please note. Now, very important. Another point. There are note key points, please note. First point, key point எழுதிங்க. Now it was given explained. It was given to explain. Given to explain the directional nature of covalent. Explain the directional nature of covalent bond. Okay, what is directional nature அப்படின்னா bond angle, bond length, geometry. Bond angle, bond length. Very important. The hybridization do not decide the geometry. The hybridization do not decide Geometry. Son, geometry of molecule can be decided by repulsion, attraction. That is called ESP theory. Okay, that theory can explain what the geometry of orbitals. Okay, now this is very important. Please note that point. The number of hybrid orbitals. What is hybrid now after mixing? Okay, the number of hybrid orbital that equal to participates of atomic orbital that equal to participates of atomic orbitals. Atomic orbital. Very important, please know. Fourth point. Okay. In the concept of the LCAO, that is linear combination of atomic orbital. Okay. This I discussed quantum mechanism later. Okay. LCO. What is LCO? Na? The linear combination of atomic orbital. Now see, I will explain. Okay, what is hybrid orbital? See, very simple. இது p orbital p orbital plus minus. Now this is s orbital. Now this s orbital and p orbital going to intermix. They intermix, they going to redistribute the energy level. Now see, now this plus and this plus become bigger plus. Wait. Bigger plus or bigger plus. Now small minus. அப்ப இதுல இது மைனஸ் இது பிளஸ். That is called sp hybrid orbital. இதான் கான்செப்ட் sp hybrid orbital. That is called hybridization, right? இல்லையா? Important, please note. Important, please note. பண்ணியாச்சா? கவனிங்க. இப்ப இதுல 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 வந்து இந்த பிக் இருக்குல்ல, see this one I am telling. இதுல இந்த big lobes and small lobes. இது பிளஸ் இது மைனஸ். This major lobes. This is called major lobe. Major lobe. That is px percentage. Yes or no? Now இது s தானே, இது s ஃபுல்லா. இது small minus இருக்குல்ல, is a minor lobe. This is minor lobes. This is more. This is more p percentage. This is more s percentage. This is more s percentage. Please note. இப்ப இந்த ஆர்பிட்டல் இந்த மைனர் லோப் and மேஜர் லோப் இருக்குல்ல, அது பேஸ்ட் ஆன் மாறிடும். Now see the size of minor lobe. The size of minor lobe. குட்டி லோப் இருக்குல்ல, the minor lobes எது அதிகமா இருக்குன்னா sp3 க்கு compared to sp2 க்கு and compared to sp க்கு. இது மைனர் லோப்ஸ்க்கான ஆர்டர். இதே the size of major lobe கேட்டாங்கன்னா the size of major lobes es lobes இது வந்து sp க்கு அதிகமா இருக்கும், sp க்கு sp2 க்கு sp3. இது sp தானே, மேஜர் தான் அதிகமா இருக்கு, sc இதுதான் அதிகமா இருக்கு. அப்ப sp இருந்தா மேஜர் லோப் அதிகம், sp அதிகம். மைனர் லோப்க்கு எது அதிகம், sp3 அதிகம். This is important, please note. Important, please note. கவனிங்க. அப்ப ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோ, இது sp3, இது sp3 ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இப்படி இருக்கும். இது sp2, இது sp. You got the point, right? Yes or no? The minus, 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 plus, plus, plus. இது ஆக்சுவலா sp3க்கு, இது sp2க்கு, இது sp. sp ல எனக்கு sp ல வந்து சாரி, இது பெருசா வரையலாமா? வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. ஒரே நிமிஷம். I write the difference structure. இது எடுத்துக்கோ. இது எடுத்துக்கோ. Okay. இது sp3 டிஸ்டன்ஸா மேஜர் லோபா? இது sp3க்கு, இது sp2க்கு, இது sp க்கு. எது அதிகமா இருக்கு? sp தான் அதிகமா இருக்கு. மேஜர் லோப், இது மேஜர் லோப்னா அதான் சொன்னேன். புரியுதா? இது ஷேப் மேஜர் லோப். புரியுதா? லிசன், அப்ப sp3க்கும் sp2க்கும் sp க்கும் சேம் ஷேப் தான். ஷேப் சேம், ஆனா சைஸ் டிஃபரெண்ட். யூ காட் த பாயிண்ட். அப்ப ஹைபிரிட் ஆர்பிட்டால் ஹேவ் சேம் ஷேப் பட் டிஃபரெண்ட் சைஸ். நோட், வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் பாயிண்ட். Note, note, the hybrid orbital have same shape, but different size, but different size. Important, please note. After very important, okay. Hybrid orbital only from sigma 1. Very, very explain important, please note. Next very important concept. Hybrid orbital only from sigma 1. It don't form, it do not form, do not form pi bond. Check பண்ணலாமா? Okay. Now what is sigma bond அப்படின்னா? Hand and overlap. What is pi bond னா? Sideways overlap. See, இது வந்து இது sp hybrid orbital. இது sp, இது plus, இது minus. Yes or no? இது one more sp hybrid orbital. இது plus, இது minus. அப்ப this also sp and this also sp. Yes or no? This sp hybrid. This also what? sp hybrid. Now see, now both are same wave function. They undergo sideways overlapping. Overlapping zone 1. In the case overlapping zone 1. Yes or no? OZ 1. Therefore என்ன bond? Sigma bond. என்ன bond இது? Sigma. Therefore the hybrid orbital they can form sigma bond. Now what about pi bond? Check பண்ணலாமா? Pi bond sideways overlap. Now see, இது sideways overlap. இது ஒரு orbitals. Just I will bigger வரையலாம். இது மாதிரி. Yes or no? இப்ப இது பிளஸ், இது பிளஸ், இது மைனஸ் மைனஸ். சி, இப்ப இதுல what is overlap zone per, tell me, what is the overlap zone per pi bond? Tell me answer, students. Anyone? What is the overlapping zone per pi bond? 1 or 2? Overlapping zone 1 or 2 for overlapping so pi bond. Overlapping zone 1 or 2 students? 2, right? One. இப்ப இந்த கேஸ்ல இப்ப இந்த லோப் ஓவர்லாப், இந்த லோப்ஸ் ஓவர்லாப் ஆயிடுச்சு அப்படின்னா இது ஓவர்லாப் ஆக முடியுமா? மைனஸ் மைனஸ் ஆமா, ரைட்டா? இது ரொம்ப பிக்கா இருக்கா? அப்ப டியூ டு தி பிக்னஸ் when this undergo overlap now at the same time this minus minus not undergo overlap, right? So how many overlap is only one தான். அப்ப this is strong. அப்ப therefore the hybrid orbital don't form pi bond, don't form pi bond. அதான் டீச்சர்ஸ் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க அப்படின்னா ஜெனரலா டியூரிங் hybridization we don't count pi bond. ஏன்னா what is hybridization? The intermixing of atomic orbital. It means hybrid orbital. Okay, hybrid orbital only undergo bonding they form hybridization. You got the point? Okay, அதனால வந்து during hybrid orbital don't form pi bond. அப்ப during hybridization, okay, we don't count pi bond because of hybrid orbital don't form pi bond. Now what is the important hint for problem section அப்படின்னா note. But during hybridization, note the concept. During hybridization, don't count don't consider pi bond because என்ன reason? Because hybrid orbital don't form pi bond. Simple. இப்ப இந்த ரீசனுக்காக தான் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? The teachers and students don't count pi bond during hybridization concept. Okay, this is important. Please know. Very important concept. Please know. Okay, okay, ma. இது வரைக்கும் நீங்க போதும். And tomorrow we are going to start the numericals. I am going to teach the tricks how to find out hybridization. We have more than 100 molecules இருக்கு. நாளைக்கு கிளாஸ்ல we are going to finish the 100 molecules. Okay, அதோட hybridization பார்க்கலாம். ஓகேவா? That is very important. All the 100 molecule important. எல்லா important question. Okay, some molecule I take from CS, take from CS and get question as well as Jan question. Okay, any doubt? Let me know one by one.